how to link CSS to HTML code in Visual Studio Code. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be teaching you how you can make sure that your CSS code is connected to the right HTML code. Now connecting it is very simple and very easy. All you need to do is to look at the head section of your index or your HTML code, the head part, and you're going to look for the specific line link rel equals style sheet and the href equals .css over here. So whatever the file name of your CSS, that should be the name of your h reference over here. So for example, if I change the name of this one to a different name, so let's go with website design CSS. What you're going to do over here in your HTML is you're going to change this as well. You're going to change it to website design.css. It will automatically identify it and help you select it by simply doing that. And that's basically it. That is how you will be able to connect your CSS and HTML together, and then you can simply test run it and see if it will work for you guys. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.